Alright guys, coming back to you with another video. We're going to wash something, yeah, we're going to wash, but we're not washing what you think. We're washing microfiber towels today, and today we're talking about Malco. Microfiber Refresh, and I hear that this stuff is the bomb. I don't know for sure, but 1 ounce into small loads, 2 ounces into big loads. Wash warm water. I like using warm to hot water when washing. This tells you use warm. A lot of you guys are like, yo, you're not supposed to use hot water. It should be cold water. No. Warm to hot water breaks up the grease and debris in your towels. Do not dry on high heat or with that much heat. Real low heat, air fluff type settings. Or you can hang them out there on the banister. So we're going to try that. I think this is like $29 on Amazon. Not tried it yet. And I've got all the good ones. Rags to Riches, McKee's, Typhoon. Having difficulties here. Car Pro. Lots of different ones there. Got some big gallon stuff on the bottom there. Anyway, and the towels, well, they're semi-dirty, pretty fair, I guess you could say. I do have one that's used for wheels. Maybe I'll go soak that downstairs, and we'll see how that comes out. All right, guys, we've got our towel here. It's very, very dirty. This one I use for wheels. I've got a sponge. I've got 1 ounce. Doesn't smell like much. Alright guys, it's pretty cold outside. I'm just gonna put about a half gallon of water here. I'm gonna let this all soak up. Let's see how 1 ounce does in a half gallon of microfiber refresh from Malco. We'll come back after my clothes are done and we'll check this out. Or my towels, not my clothes. Okay, I poured about 2 ounces, maybe a little more than 2 ounces into there. All right, I put the towels in there. I'm just gonna show you a few what we're working with here. A little bit of dirt so we can see what they look like afterward. Here's one with this one I cleaned interior with, I think. What did I clean? A little bit of dirt on these. So pretty mediocre, but nicely soiled up. Okay, got everything set. Warm, high spin. Let's go heavy soil. 25 minutes there. I need to push that higher. Anyway, we'll just let it run like that. All right, looks like the washer is done. Got something in the dryer, so we're gonna have to wait. Let me pull these out. Let's take a look at them though. First look, towels look clean. They feel good. Here's a green one. Looks very nice. Blue. Let's keep going. All right, I'm gonna show you the lighter colors here. Here's a orange, looks fantastic. I'm just putting them over here. Here's another blue one. Now remember, some of these blue ones, most of this is rinseless wash. Coming out fantastic, guys. Look at this green one. Beautiful, beautiful, like brand new. Another blue one. All right, here's a gray. Usually I have some type of leftover dirt on the towels, no matter what. Can we go all the way through? I mean, look at these light colored towels, wow. Here's a red one. This is an old one, look at this. Still coming out pretty decent. Oh, okay. Here's a nice orange one. And one more. Looks good. The last one, this is the one I think I did an interior on the floor mats scrubbing. You can see a little couple spots. But this one was really dirty. Hey, fantastic job, Malco Refresh. And we'll put these in the dryer and I'm gonna see how soft and supple they come back out. As for now, this is a 99% fantastic job. One towel that had a little bit of stuff on it. The rest, very good. All right, guys, it's been about 25 minutes or so. I haven't agitated this really. I've just been letting it soak. But I can tell you, the water is super dirty. The sponge, the stain, still got that going for it. Let me set this to the side, but it does feel super clean now. All right, let's come back to this towel here. Oh my God, this water's so cold. My hands are freezing up. And I want to squeeze this towel out. I'll put it on the side so I can show you guys in a minute. All right, let's take a look at this water here. So can you guys see that? Pretty nasty, dirty. All right, let's take a look at this towel. Hey, it looks a lot better. I haven't even rinsed anything off. Put some water in here. Woo, that's cold. That side looks good. This side, a little bit of staining, but not bad. All right, guys. So what do you think? Not too bad. This looks, it's just got this big stains on it, but it's actually real clean. A little wet. And the towel. I mean, I didn't put it in the washer or nothing. It's just kind of hand soaked and let it sit there. It's still dirty. This does tires. This does wheels. It gets grease and grime. Not bad though. Not bad. Let's go check the laundry. All right, guys. Well, we got the towels back. They look fabulous. They're nice and fluffy. The color, very vibrant on them and super clean. I'm going to go out there and say that this is probably the best microfiber wash I've used. You guys, have you tried this? If you haven't, I got this on Amazon. It was like $29. So try it out. Let me know. What are you guys using? I mean, I have a lot. You've seen the bottles. I have gallons of stuff. Fantastic. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.